The second part of this assignment is asking you to solve division sentences by rewriting them as multiplication sentences. If you know your multiplication facts, you can use them to solve division problems really easily. Let's look at an example together. For each problem, you'll see these 3 steps that you need to follow. The first step is to rewrite the division sentence into a multiplication sentence. Here I have 18 divided by 3 equals question mark. Notice how one of the numbers is missing. It's a question mark because that's the number that you are trying to solve for. I know from the first part of my assignment that the total number in a division sentence must be 18 because it's that first number. And that total is written after the equal sign in a multiplication equation. So it goes here. I also know that the other 2 numbers in that division sentence are the 2 factors that I multiplied together. So one of the factors is 3, and the other is a question mark. This looks a lot like the missing factor equations that we solved last week. When I look at this multiplication sentence, I'm either asking myself how many groups of 3 gives me a total of 18, or 3 groups of how many gives me a total of 18. And depending on which way I'm thinking about that, I can use a strategy to find that missing factor. So I want to think of this as how many groups of 3s are going to give me 18. 3 is a number that I feel comfortable skip counting by. I'm going to start from 3, add another 3 to get 6, 9, 12, 15, and then 18. Let's see how many times I needed to skip count by 3. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6. I'm going to take that work and now take a picture and put it into my slide. That's number 2, using a strategy and then showing your work in that box. I found that I needed to skip count by 3 6 times to get to a total of 18. So that's my missing factor 6, and my missing factor happens to be the answer to that division sentence. You have a total of 4 problems that you can solve independently, but among those 4, you are choosing 3 that you would like to work on.